Hey everyone, in this video I will show you, Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a product recommendation agent using n8n, Google Sheets, Google Gemini embeddings and Superbase vector storage. This workflow acts like a personal shopping assistant. It understands what a customer bought before and recommends similar products in real time. We will cover two main parts: storing product data into a vector database, retrieving recommendation during chat. Let's start with part 1. First we upload a product catalog so the AI can understand. We begin with a manual trigger which loads the raw product information from Google Sheets. This is the sheet data which we are going to upload. It includes the user IDs. Here we search 1 to 5. There are 4 purchases by this user. This is a Superbase table in which the data will be saved. Currently it's empty right now. Let's execute the workflow. The data set is loading to a Sheets node. Then a code node formats every row into a text chunk combining all meaningful fields. This gives the AI richer context. Google Gemini embedding node converts each product into a vector, a numeric representation that stores meaning, not just text. Finally, we insert those embeddings into a Superbase vector store. Now every product lives in a searchable knowledge layer based on semantic similarities. This complete a knowledge ingestion. Anytime new products are added to the sheet, so we can rerun this flow to keep the catalog fresh. The data has been saved successfully, 360 records in a Superbase table as a content, metadata and embedding. Now the part 2, retrieval during a chat. Now let's look at how recommendations are generated during conversation. A chat trigger listens for user messages like I'm going to search here. Can you suggest me some products? The AI is asking for a user ID. Okay, I'm going to put 1 to 5. The AI agent first check whether the user provided their ID or not. If not, it asks nicely to share it. Once we have a user ID, we fetch their purchase history from Google Sheets. The workflow the extract the metadata like category, tags or description. Superbase returns similar complementary products. AI agent then craft a shorter conversational reply that summarizes what a customer previously purchased. Like here it's saying you enjoyed both fitness and creating a relaxing atmosphere at home. Airflow yoga mat, Zen balance candle set, home or a diffuser.